back with another video. That's it. I got my dude Jacob here. He's looking for a surprise. You'll see it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. So the surprise that I found is Arden's little kitty right there. She is, I think, about 2 months old. Is that right?
Yeah, 1.5.
1.5?
Yeah. She's
right there. She's really hyperactive. So it's gonna be hard to videotape her. As you can see, she's over there.
We're gonna get a challenge
called try to catch a kitty with her toys, which she's actually kind of attracted to.
We're gonna rock, paper, scissors
to see who's
gonna pick the first.
Okay, Arden, let's rock, paper, scissors.
No, wait.
We're gonna tell you who won. We're gonna do it. Wait, Arden, where's the yarn ball? Like the yarn. Oh, it's right there.
Okay, let's go. Don't.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I picked this one.
Sure. I'll pick this one then.
So this one is this. Like you just.
There's no other choices.
There's no other choices.
So I have to pick the worst one.
No, but that one, she kind of like that one.
She's pooping. She's pooping, guys.
I think she's either in her litter box.
Pooping.
In her litter box.
She's pooping. Everybody's watching. Millions of people are watching your poop.
This is kind of embarrassing for you. Maybe you should get out that litter box if you're done. Look at her. She's like, aw.
Let's start the challenge. Okay. A note, guys. We don't have to use our toy. Remember, it's catch the cat.
Yeah, I know. We have to catch it
with our hands.
With our hands
and get it,
or our feet, which is gross.
like
but we cannot hurt. We cannot abuse her. We cannot like.
Gotcha. One point for me.
And there's a fact about her. She's actually really soft. Her name is Cookie.
She's a girl.
Obviously, we're calling her she and her.
I can't believe a girl's that hyperactive.
Oh my god. Oh, she's right here. Wait, go to that side.
Work as a team. Okay, so guys, just to let you know, this is now team. We can use whatever toys we want, but we have to catch her 3 times. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, it's team battle now. No! So we can work together. Use any toys.
Okay, I'll use this one.
You can use this one.
I want this one.
Okay, here. Oh, I got her. Wait, you have to move it like that.
I'll attract it with the sound.
I just do this. Wait, grab that. Oh, see? Gotcha. No! Here. And we can move anything we want. Go. So fast! Oh, wait. Gotcha. No! Oh my god! Hello, guys.
So I come back with some news. We did not catch her yet.
It's not team battle. It's not solo.
Arden's trying to grab her by the tail, which she keeps escaping by.
But upstairs, once I grabbed her by the tail and I was like literally holding her by the tail. It doesn't hurt, I guess.
And before the video, I actually
Gotcha. We got her battle.
What if she pees on the tent? What if she pees on
battle?
Put it on her. I will show you. So that's her.
This is the object that we've been looking for. That's her back. But
That's her front view. That's her back view.
And now she's standing. And watch this. She's gonna put her there. Let's see how she gets out of this mysterious
Scenario.
How is she gonna escape the scenario? I'm gonna go. She's right here. Very soft. See? Her tail's wagging. Say hello, kitty.
We're eating in half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what time is it now? It's 3:55, so
Yeah, but almost an hour.
4:25. Go. Get the toy. For some reason, when we're trying to chase the cat, we're running so weird. Like,
Yeah, because you have to bend down.
Yeah.
She's really small.
and also we don't want to step on her.
Yeah.
So we're like,
But we could grab her by the tail.
yeah.
But like, don't pull it off.
Or like, and then just jump on her.
It's actually kind of the weird when you carry her. It's actually she has a weird feeling. She like walks all over you. So I'll report back with some news in 3, 2, 1. Okay, our news is Arden caught the kitty again.
Hi guys. Hello. My name's Cookie. Cookie. Yeah.
She actually doesn't feel anything when you drop her. Really? Oh my god.
Okay. So you grab her, right hand, bottom, and hold her neck, like basically.
Oh my gosh. She tickles.
Hold her bottom.
Oh my gosh, she tickles. Her bones like tickle. Don't you feel like that tickle?
Yeah.
How do you not feel that tickle?
Because she doesn't run away from racers. Yeah, when she does that, she wants to go badly somewhere.
Really? And she's like, her like bones are moving.
No. When wait, let me catch her. You got me in the head. Was that recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's hard to get her. She's so hyperactive.
I hope you guys noticed. I got my default boy shirt on. Default boy. Come to default boy, little cookie. You came to default boy. We're default. Default.
Got her again.
This is the third time, so we're going solo now.
Look at her tail, it's like hard. Is that a bone?
No. What is that? It's a thing. Like, it's a type of a bone. Okay, our team wins! To catch a cat!
The default team wins.
Let's go! So, rock, paper, scissors. Wait, leave her here. Wait,
She escaped. Whatever.
wait, look. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Get to choose your weapon. Okay,
I actually don't like to, I can't catch her if she, doesn't come to me.
okay.
No, it's impossible for me to catch her because she never comes to me.
Yeah.
She tries to get off, so if I grab her by the tail or something.
Okay, the cat drop comes in 3, 2, 1.
Okay. No, this is weapon gear. No, what are you doing? It's not the way to
No. Or it's tied together. Look, cat. Did I? No. Oh God. You gotta wait. Get. now. And
Wait, look.
I'll set the time. We switch weapons in 1 minute. I'll look at the time. Oh. Wait, move it. Get. Default boy.
Fell down on his foot.
No.
What? Well, you run away. Well, get it. He lost her.
Try to get her.
I got her.
Got her?
Oh my gosh, she's like on my growling. We said, I know, kissing her.
Was she like?
Yeah.